Okay. Yeah, you're okay. No problem. This is light. All right. Okay. All right. I got the door. You got it? Yep. Okay. Too easy, sir. Too easy. I know. I thought it was gonna be so heavy. Okay. Yeah, I just want to hold it. Holding. Just want to stabilize it. There we go. Yep. Use your seat.
You saw that in the trailing arm video? It helped?
Did I watch the video?
Yeah, because he watched it. I always tease him that he doesn't watch it, but because he asks me questions that are in the video, but a little update. There is some bolts that I did order because we had the trailing arm bolts that I did that one repair. They were too short. This one on this side actually didn't make it through at all that I could go ahead and thread that on. So I called a local fastener store here and I had them order the bolts that I needed. I also made sure that all the bolts that I had were OEM spec at grade 10.9 bolts. So they didn't have them stocked, so that was kind of unfortunate, but a couple days they'll be here. The wheels will be coming in about 4 days. I'll be sure to let you guys see the color of these wheels because they're actually going to help decide the color of this car, because I'm going to let people vote on 3 colors that I'm going to be posting on the channel. I won't show you them yet, but I probably will show you in the next video after I get the doors and everything mounted on the car and I complete the suspension installation. And I'm just going to tidy up here, making sure everything is a lot cleaner and more organized for myself, because the next few weeks I'm going to need as much space as possible in here to get the work that I need to get done. So cleaning up the garage a bit, made a little bit of room, and I'm going to go ahead and start mounting the driver door, passenger, the rear hatch, and the front fenders, and I'll even try and throw on the hood. I just got to find those bolts. They're stored right over here in my little box. Should be able to find everything. I got everything nicely labeled, so we'll find all the boxes, or sorry, we'll find all the packages that I need for my bolts, and I'll start mounting this stuff and try and get this done this evening.
Oh shit, that one was behind me. 2 seconds. Yep.
Are you ever at the house?
Hey, how you doing?
Alright, you guys. What are you guys fixing up?
99 Civic.
Make it go fast.
We'll see. Dude, I'm good with pizza. All pizza out? Ooh, door number 1. Holy shit, that took 15 minutes.
I only managed to actually get the 2 doors on, the driver and the passenger. My buddy Tyler came over and helped me out put those on, so that was good. But what stopped me early was my dogs. They actually got sprayed by skunks, and so that stopped me, so I was out there washing them. There they are. So this one got really sprayed. He didn't get sprayed too bad because he's been sprayed before and he's learned, but yeah, this one's sprayed for her first time. What are you guys doing, eh? So luckily I gave her a pretty good wash. My kids right now are asleep, so that's why I'm whispering. Anyways guys, I'm going to continue the video in the morning. I'm going to try and get those fenders mounted, the hood, and the hatch if I can do that myself, so I'll see you tomorrow. I got the front fenders on, they went on nicely, and I'm actually very happy with how this car is looking. It's finally starting to shape up. Mind you, obviously it's still far from being done, but things are looking good. I just gave the car a nice wipe down with some acetone and a rag, freshened things up, kind of got that dust that was kind of sitting on the car off of there, and it's looking fantastic. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the hatch door. Hopefully I don't have too much trouble mounting that. I'm going to try it on my own. Then after that, I have to do the hood, the bumper. I have the front bumper bar. I don't know what exactly this thing is called. I think it's bumper bar, maybe. Anyways, that has to be cleaned, painted, and remounted on the car. Then I actually have to go ahead and remove these rollers that I made when I was moving the car around in the beginning when I was painting the engine bay. These have been great, so I'm just definitely going to store these for a future day if I ever need these again in the future. All in all, things are looking good, so I'm just going to keep on going. Front fenders, side door, and the rear hatch are all installed. I am waiting on the rims to come in, hopefully this week. And once I do get those in, I'll get those mounted with some tires, and then I'll have to start checking out my fitment with my front fenders and my rears. I might have to get them rolled, I might not have to, so we'll see when it comes to it. The rear trailing arm bolts, I did place that order back on last Thursday, so those hopefully are coming in. They've delayed shipment already on me, so that's kind of sucked. Other than that, I do have some other replacement bolts that I'm getting for the rear suspension. Hopefully get those tomorrow, which would be Monday. So after that, I'll get the suspension all installed, completed, and hopefully get this car on all fours so I can get these jack stands off here that I've made. So I want to thank you guys for watching today's episode. Please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.